What was it, Derek?
Kind of feeling that we overstayed our welcome, if you know what I mean.
Northern State Hospital is located several minutes southeast outside the town of Sedro-Woolley. Commissioned by State Senator Emerson Hammer on September 13, 1909, the hospital began to take in its first patients between December 1912 and January 1913. For the next 63 years, the hospital would take in various patients, many of whom were truly suffering from mild to severe mental illnesses. Still, others were simply orphans with no families, women undergoing menopause, and the elderly whose families did not wish to care for them. By 1945, the hospital had begun performing transorbital lobotomies with the aid of Dr. Charles H. Jones and Dr. Walter Freeman. Northern State Hospital was very self-sufficient in all ways. The construction of the farm, which sat adjacent to the main grounds, provided eggs, meat, dairy, and vegetables for the patients and local community. The farm grounds were also used in patient care and rehabilitation. The patients who were well behaved would earn privileges such as feeding the animals and gathering crops. Eventually, the Northern State Hospital Dairy Farm would go on to become the largest dairy supplier in the county. Due to a lack of funding, the hospital closed its doors in 1976 and remained abandoned and neglected for many years.
Hello guys, I'm Derek Scrimshire. I'm with the unit. You know, the unit sometimes does some oddball investigations. A lot of times we get a lot of referrals. Today we are out at the Northern State Mental Hospital barns. But what we're going to do tonight is we're going to go through some of these areas where people have claimed to caught shadow figures, have caught voices, and see if some of these spirits of some of the mental patients that worked in these facilities are still here. So we hope you enjoy and follow along with us tonight. Man, this is like something you see in Hills Have Eyes or something, man. Come over here. All right, can you open that door up again? Seems like you closed it. You want to open that? You want to open that up for me? You open that door up for me, brother? It's okay. I'm not gonna get angry. Come on. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
What the heck is wrong with the key?
Oh my God.
What, Derek? Derek, what's up?
What is that in the window? Man, this is a creepy place. Now here we are again. We're over here in this barn area. Off and on, we've been picking up a lot of orbs so far, and a lot of strange noises. A lot of whispering and talking and stuff. This place is creepy as hell. We asked a question. We started hearing a bunch of strange noises over there. And I asked a question, we noticed that one of the doors actually opened up. What the hell? All right, guys, we're gonna go back over there now. We're gonna go check out that barn. Are you ready to go? Let's do it.
I'm ready. Hold on.
Holy crap. Is that you making noise, man? Can we take your picture? What does it sound like?
We have company.
Where?
What kind of company?
Are we talking living company or what are we talking about?
I was thinking that there might be somebody there.
Living or not?
Yeah, but there's no way they can just like walk around here without having any flashlight. So,
Okay, so where would that shadow person be? Back here. Back where? I can't see through the light. Where?
The shadows that Darab is talking about are the shadows that we captured earlier while taking pictures through one of the windows. We continued to search for the shadows, but could not figure out exactly what was causing them. What we did capture next would surprise all of us, and substantiate one of our photos. On the recording, you can clearly hear a small child crying out for his mother. Is this the apparition of the small child that we heard earlier calling out for its mother?
get some more EVP.
That would be nice. Because I've got now my recorder, I've had this going the whole time.
And this is rolling
You
too.
have too.
Okay.
And we've got
I mean, I
EVP
think we-
also on the cameras and everything else.
Is there anybody here with us?
Anybody here that'd like to speak with us tonight?
We continued rolling our EVP voice recorders for the next 10 minutes and asking several questions without getting any reaction or response. What we captured next would surprise all of us as we heard it with our own ears and recorded it with our video camera and EVP devices.
What do we call you by? What do we call you by?
The following footage was captured with our digital voice recorder.
Dude, I'm about to. God.
What was that? Did you hear that? Okay, what did you just hear? What did you just
I
hear?
heard a guy.
Dude, I just saw a bunch of lights right here, and then all of a sudden they just went dead. Hello? All right, guys, so we're just about wrapping up on this investigation. I think all three of us pretty much agree this has been pretty interesting, actually. And what do you think, Rob? You glad you came out here?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the feeling as we stay more, the feeling is like, go home.
Yeah, get out. Yeah.
Yeah, think, if you stay a little longer here, we might run into some kind of problem.
What about you, Slavi?
I think
I heard something that I've never heard before. And I definitely feel like we're about to overstay our welcome.
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling that too. So, with that being said, we hope you guys have enjoyed, again, another. Shh. Wow.
Every time we talk.
Every
about
time we talk,
leaving,
and this is, the EMF thing is just great. I mean, this is actually turning out great. But with that being said, we hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of The Unit. And until next time, happy hunting.
Bye.